Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a boy named Ravi. He loved exploring the forest near his home. Every day, he would walk among the trees, listening to the birds and watching the animals. One day, while wandering deep into the forest, Ravi heard a voice. "Hello, little boy," the voice said. Ravi looked around but saw no one. Confused, he asked, "Who is talking to me?" "I am the big old tree," the voice replied. Ravi looked up and saw a giant tree, with thick branches and golden leaves. "You can talk?" Ravi asked in surprise. "Yes," the tree said kindly. "I have been here for hundreds of years and I have seen many things. Would you like to hear a story?" Excited, Ravi sat under the tree, and the tree began telling stories of the past about kings, hidden treasures, and magical creatures. Ravi listened with wonder. Every day, he returned to hear a new story. One day, the village faced a great problem. There was no rain for many months, and the river was drying up. Crops were dying, and people had little water to drink.